Hello and welcome back to another Python tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In the previous tutorial, we created a method here, took the grades in for a student's math class. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and actually get the grade point average of the student's grades. With that being said, we need to remove grades list from inside the function and move it inside the class. Alright, now it becomes an attribute versus being a variable inside the function. So, let's do that first. So we'll go ahead and cut that out, paste that inside the class. And down here, this now needs to become self.grades and self.gradelist. Alright. With that, alright, so we got that all set up. Now let's go ahead and create a new method down here, and we're going to figure out the GPA based on the student's grades. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to define math GPA, and it's going to take self, and I'm going to use a keyword argument here, and I'm going to say GPA is equal to grades list. Alright, now I'm hard coding this in because basically we need to pass the grades that the student gets through the method here and then pull it down here. We won't be passing it directly as an argument to math GPA. Alright, so so the first thing we need to do is get an average of all the grades. So we're going to say average is equal to the sum of average or of GPA and divided by the length of GPA. Alright, and just to check our work, I'm going to print average. Oops, that's two. Average, just like that. Just to check it when we run this to make sure it's doing what I want it to do. Now next we're going to use an if statement. We're going to compare the average to a set number for figuring out a GPA, which I found on the internet. So if average is greater than equal to 93, we're going to say score is equal to 4.0, and then we're going to come down and do an elif. Average is greater than or equal to 90, then score will be 3.7, and then we're going to do another one, elif average. I'm not going to do it all the way down to 0 because that would take way too long. So we're going to say 87, and we'll say score is equal to 3.3, and then I'm going to just do else, and I will make score 0. Alright, and we need to return score so we can see what our score is. So let's go ahead and open our Python interpreters. Alright, I'm going to kill mine, open it back up. And we're just going to go ahead and do A is equal to, we need to import it from student, import math, and then we can do A is equal to math, Tom Myers, 11, 6, 17, 14, and 9. Alright, and then we're going to do A, I don't remember what I call these things, grades, and I'm just going to put a bunch of numbers in here, 93, 97, 95, and 89. Alright. So there's our grades that we're passing in, okay? And then we're going to say a.math GPA, just like this. And we see we got 93.5 and a 4.0 is what's returned to us. Let's just make sure that's correct. 93.5 or greater or equal to is a 4.0, so that worked for us. Alright, so in the next tutorial we'll go ahead and pull, we'll probably throw one more in here. I don't know what we'll do. We'll pull it up here, I guess, so you guys can see how we work with that. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.